So guys, gagawa ako today ng pouch na ganito for a customer. Ito ang gagamitin kong tela. Lalagyan ko din siya ng custom na print later on. And we will be using vinyl. And while I'm doing it, I'm gonna tell you a story about what happened to me yesterday. I was just basically depressed the whole day yesterday. I cried last night. I cried when I woke up. But now, I feel okay. So ganito kasi yun. Basically, I just had a difficult patient yesterday. Ano siya, under police custody, pero wala namang police dun. Lumabas siya na sisigaw-sigaw, sabi niya gusto na daw niyang umuwi, tapos in pain siya, ayaw din naman niya ng painkillers, pumunta na yung doktor, pumunta na yung site manager, yung security, nandun na lahat kasi grabe yung sigaw niya, as in, sumisigaw talaga siya na parang natotrauma ako. Nanginginig ako deep inside. Wow, deep inside. Hindi talaga siya tumigil kakasigaw. He was banging on the side rails strongly. So eventually, wala kaming choice kung di, isend na lang yung pasyente sa ward kasi ayaw din naman niya ng painkillers. When they started to comfort me, that's the time na I cried. Lumabas muna ako. Nag-moment ako dun sa river. Burnout na talaga ako sa work ko. I was depressed last year. And I think I'm scared. I'm scared na madidepress na naman ako this time. What if mapagod na talaga ako and then I just give up? Naisip ko yung boyfriend ko, parang kawawa siya. He's been doing his best to support me, to help me. But alam mo yung feeling na burnout ka pero hindi ka pwedeng mag-resign kasi merong kang binubuhay sa Pilipinas and binubuhay mo din sarili mo. Finally, natapos na tayo with the pouch. But, lalagyan pa siya natin ng print. Ta-da! This is it.